Hello my friend and welcome to my channel, my first bases loaded lacquer haul and swatches. Braves Diva has turned into bases loaded lacquer. I will leave a link down below if you'd like to check them out. 50 Shades of Hay. This is one I won playing bingo on her Facebook fan group, and Release the Kimbrel is one I bought. These are the last two from the rookie series. And these three are from her anniversary, No High Fives Allowed. This is her anniversary. This is her, I think, 4th year? I'm not sure. So those have, they've got different stickers, and we got fake fans. So these have the new stickers, and the two of the rookies have the old stickers. And then we have Ghost Runner. These are so pretty, so different, and I'm very happy to have them. She also sent me a little thing of cuticle oil. Always appreciated. So here we go with the swatches. Now I won one of the bingos, so she tossed this in with my order, and I love this one. It screams fall to me. Hang on, I got something on my swatch wheel. You know, if we're not having some kind of difficulty, it ain't my show. You know what I'm saying? And then look how luscious this one is. Release the Kimbrel is crazy pretty. Ah, I bet it stamps too, and water marbles. But I just wanted to swatch them out in case you wanted to get out there and grab any of these. And then I believe this one is, oh gosh, No High Fives Allowed. My bad. I love this one. It's going to be fun to play with for Halloween. It'll be getting used soon. And then next up we've got fake fans. This is from the fake fans in the stands for the ball games. Because she's still obsessed with Braves. Okay? Still going to be there. That one's real unique. I really like it. And then this one doesn't show up as great on the swatch wheel, but it's still a very cool polish. I don't know that you're going to get to see all the flashing that it does, but this is Ghost Runner. It's pearly with pink and green. So back to 50 Shades of Hay. It was the September 2020 Rookie of the Month polish, and it's a stunner. I mean, so pretty. And then next up we've got Release the Kimbrel, and this was the August 2020 Rookie of the Month polish. Kind of sad to see that series going away, because it's just fun. Yeah, just fun. And then next up is No High Fives Allowed, and the hollow in this is just crazy off the hook. The scattered hollow just blew me away. I am so crazy about this one. Yes. Oh goodness. Oh my. The picture doesn't do it justice. And then next to last, we got fake fans. Fake fans. When I first saw the name, I thought it was something different, but now I'm understanding. Love that. The duochrome and the hollow. Little scatterings. And then finally, Ghost Runner. Love this collection. I'm just a junkie, you guys know. So I'll leave a link for bases loaded lacquer down below if you're interested. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.